Okay, for the carburetors on a 650 Kawasaki, if it's before 91 and it has the 28 millimeter carburetor and has the separate fuel pump, if you look close, this little symbol here is a pulse line. So that connects to the crankcase on the engine. There's just a little fitting that goes to that. So that provides the vacuum. Then there's an arrow. In is coming from your fuel selector. Out goes to the carburetor. Now on the 28s, if you look close, it says in. So in is the bottom. There's an R on the top. That's a return. So that's a 28 millimeter. Now if it's a 38 or a 40, the pulse line, the fuel pump is mounted to the carburetor. The pulse line is that symbol there. So the front, that hooks up to the crankcase on the engine. If you look down on the bottom there, it says in. So that's coming from your fuel selector. That's the fuel coming in, comes from the gas tank, goes to the fuel selector, and goes into the carburetor. Then there's a return line. There's an R on it. So that's on the Keihin. 38 or 40s are like that. 28s. And the 28s have this separate little fuel pump.